Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time you have visited this channel, kindly subscribe for more videos. In this video tutorial, I am going to teach you how you can edit your sign language video. How to edit sign language video. So let's start. Before you can proceed with the editing, you have to import your video first. So it is still the same procedure. You go to import media files and then you search for your video. This is my sign language video. So you press on it and then you press open. Then it will be successfully imported. Right from there, it is still the same procedure. You have to drag your video to your video track and then you press on match to media. Then you proceed with the editing. Before you can edit this video, this sign language video tutorial is similar to how we did the editing on simple text, as well as the modified text, and also quite similar to the social media handles video tutorials we did. So first of all, you have to go to titles, then you go to title 41, then you insert title 29 as we've always been doing. Insert title 29 and then you drag it and place it on the video. You place it on the video, not in the middle of the video. Take note of this very well. You place it on top of the video. Then you minimize it like this. When you finish, you have to drag your title to the end of your video. Don't forget to do this, to the end of the video. And then right from there you proceed to what I taught you the other time. You go to advanced and then you change your font name to Georgia. So you have to search for Georgia. That's Geor. So here is Georgia, and then you change your font size. This is a sign language video, so the text must be a little bit bigger. Right from here, this is what you have to do. You have to come to the text border and then you click in the box over here, and then you can see it now has a text border. Then you change the text border to black, and also your text shadow must also be applied, and then you increase it like this. Yeah, it is as simple as this. So once you finish like this, you have to take off the animation setting in it. So you go to animation and then you double click on no animation, and then it will take effects. So this is the text we are going to use for our sign language video editing. Once you finish with this setup, you have to go back to where you began. And also, since this is a sign language video, you have to make sure your text does not land on your hands. Your text does not land on your hands like this. So let's play this video for some few seconds and see how it will appear. So I'm going to teach you how you can edit your sign language videos. So this is the sign for A. So this is the sign for A. In this case, your sign language alphabet must not be on my hands like this. It has to be somewhere around here or somewhere around here, either being at the top or at the bottom like this. So since there's a sign for A, we have to change the whole setup, the whole text as I have highlighted, and then type in A. So this is the sign for A, and I would like to increase the size a little bit. So this is the sign for A like this. Then you place it here like this. Once you finish with this procedure, you click on OK, and then it will take you back to where you began. And as I told you the other time, your text will be automatically highlighted right after that process. So you have to double click on this, and then you double click here, then the highlighted text will go off. So once we are finished with this A is going to run through from the start of the video to the end of the video. Like this is going to run through. So you just have to create several splits in the titles over here. Then you edit it as it will be showing, like A, B, C, D, E, F. It follows in that order. So in this case, the sign language video actually starts with the letter A. So there's no need for us to maintain how I started with the conversation and all those stuff. So you have to play it a little bit.
So I'm going to teach you how
go to where you started your sign
how you can edit your sign language videos. So this is the sign for A.
So this is the sign for A. So it has to start from here. So you have to cut off this portion. You have to cut off this portion. Then you delete, as I told you the other time. Then you pull this to hit the video track from the beginning. Then you are good to go. So this is the sign for A. So this is the sign for A. So let's proceed.
This is the sign for A. A. B.
So that's the sign for A. So as soon as you get to B, you have to create a split in this title. Create a split in this title. So you highlight the text as I've done, and then you click on the cut tool or the split tool, or you can use the shortcut key, that is the Ctrl+V. You click on it, and then you proceed. So you play it one more time to see where the B alphabet sign will end before you create another split for letter C, for alphabet C. So let's go.
B, C.
So it goes like this. So this portion is for A. This portion is for A. So we have to create another split for B. So let's go.
B, B,
B, like this. So you have to create another split like this. So this is for B. So this is for B. When it happens like this, you have to double click on your title 29, and then you edit this letter as it has been shown over here. You highlight it, and then you type in, you highlight it like this, and then you type in B. I hope you understand what I'm doing. So you highlight it like this, B. Let's proceed.
B, C, C.
So you create another split for C like this. So this for C. You double click, you come into the text, you highlight, and then you type in C. So it follows in this order. So let's proceed.
C, D, D, E.
Then you create another split for D. For D, you highlight, you create. So this is for alphabet D. You type in D. Let's proceed.
D, E, E, F.
So after D, we go to E. So you create another split here, and then you double click, and then you type in E. E. Let's proceed.
E, F, F,
G, F. My name is Frank, so my name starts with F. F. So in this case, you have to highlight, you create your split, and then you type in F. 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 Like this. So it will follow in that order. So this is for A, this is for B, this is for C, this is for C, this is for D, this is for E, this is for F. So it follows in that order. Because of time, I wouldn't like to continue. So I would like to end this lesson here. So once you finish like this, you have to crop this portion off. and then you play your video to see how it will look like. So let's play and see what happens.
This is the sign for A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Yeah, so it follows in that order. You have to continue to create your letter splits. You create a split, you edit, you insert in that order. And what I've taught you right now is also applicable for any sign language video that contains titles like 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words, numbers, 5-letter words, whichever way this video tutorial is applicable. So I have generalized this using the alphabet sign. You can use the same procedure to edit your 2-letter words, 3-letter words, numbers, whatever. So we are done with this video tutorial, and as I've always been advising you, you have to save your projects. Very, very important. So you go to File and then you go to Save Projects. Then you type in how to edit sign language video. How to edit sign language video, and then you press on Save. Then you are good to go. So this brings us to the end of this video tutorial on how to edit sign language video. Thank you so much for watching. See you some other time, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.